to make hibiscus hair mask at home for dry hair and scalp. If your scalp feels dry and hair is frizzy, then this mask will naturally condition your tresses and give them some much needed hydration. Process: in half a cup of water, boil 2 hibiscus flowers for 5 minutes. Cool this mixture and add a tablespoon of coconut oil, yogurt, and 2 drops of lavender essential oil. Now, apply on your hair and leave it on for 20 minutes. Later, wash it off with a gentle shampoo. How to make hibiscus hair mask at home to get rid of dandruff. We've all been troubled by dandruff at some point in our lives. It leaves our scalp feeling itchy and irritated while also causing social embarrassment, thanks to the flakes. Hibiscus can help with that as well. Process: grind a couple of hibiscus flowers along with a few hibiscus leaves to make a paste. To this, add aloe vera and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now, mix it well and leave it for 20 minutes before washing your hair with a gentle shampoo. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.